here. Thank you for coming. I have a very special announcement today. I'm not going to keep you very long. If you're watching back on the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you, and I hope you enjoy what I am going to announce. But first, today is June 22nd. DP Get Your Big On. It ended today. My painting was Fine Soft Day by Liam Kelly. It was a Dreamer Design canvas. I'm almost done. I regret to say that I have not completed it. I will show you what I have left. Not a lot, really. Just this part at the end, a lot of 939 and 310, and then I should be done. Just some touch-ups, and I will be done with it. I'm at the point where, like, I want to be done with it. We always get that way at the end of a diamond painting because we're ready to start the next one. So why am I here? I have jumped on the bandwagon. Yes, I am launching my Patreon today. Down in the description is a link to my Patreon, and I would like to explain why I am doing that. I have been doing YouTube now for a year, and I'm at, almost 800 subscribers, but as you know, you have to get to that 1,000 to get all the extra little perks, including Super Chat, where people can donate. However, Patreon is a way for my subscribers to support me on a monthly basis, and it would really, really mean a lot to me to have that support. For 1 year now, I have been, footing the bill for everything, with the exception of friend mail. I mean, Nareda, oh my God, thank you for all of the loom knitting supplies that you have, and yarn that you've blessed me with. But see all this yarn behind me? Some is mine, some was given to me by Nareda. But all of this stuff costs money, and your support would help me to continue to bring you the crafts that I do, as you guys know, in addition to diamond painting, which is really my main focus. Every Wednesday I do Craft with Me Wednesday, which is basically kind of my journey into exploring other crafts. So in the last year, since I've been on YouTube, I've learned to crochet. I have picked up cross stitching again. What else? Oh, the loom knitting. Of course, I am loving the loom knitting. Just loving. I'm making an Afghan. That's what all this yarn is right here for the Afghan. Yes. I love it. There's just not enough time in the day to do everything that I do. Now, of course, I've tried crafts that I didn't love, Jen. Rock painting, please. Do not send me any rock painting. No. Never again. And then there's some crafts I just don't care to try. I think I'm going to pass on the resin. I almost pushed the button on clay watching Crashly one night, but I didn't do it. I think I'll just buy pens from Crashly because she does such an amazing job. Why would I need to do that? But anyway, I've done coloring, paint by number, you name it. I've done that on my Craft With Me Wednesday, and all of that costs money. So your support each month would mean a whole lot. Now, here's how it works. I have 3 tiers. The first tier is $3. Second tier is $7.50. The third tier is $15 or more if you care to donate more each month. What do you get for those tiers? Well, tier 1, you're going to get general support in all of those tiers. You feel free to message me anytime, and I will respond to you. And ambulance. Sorry, it never fails. This is actually my second take, because the first take I noticed, I was watching it back, and Jake kept walking back and forth and back and forth. And I figured people are watching Jake and not watching what I'm saying. So I said, let me refilm this. Now, I don't know where he is now. Oh, you know what? It's their dinner time. No wonder they're pacing. Okay, well, they're probably wondering when I'm going to stop talking to myself and go feed them. Oh, anyway, so what do you get? Tier 1, I'm going to be doing a drawing every month from all of my Patreons. Everybody gets put into the drawing. Now, at Tier 1, you get one chance into the drawing. Tier 2, you get two chances. Here comes the next. Two fire trucks. That's interesting. Uh, Tier 2, I don't even know where I was. Goodness gracious. Okay, let's start over. Tier 1, you get general support, which means you can contact me anytime, and I'm very responsive. So you get that at all levels. I will also be having a drawing each month from all of my Patreons. In Tier 1, you get one chance. Tier 2, you get two chances. And Tier 3, you get three chances at a monthly prize. It'll be diamond painting related. It may be an accessory. It may be a diamond painting. It might be a gift card. You never know. But what do you get at Tier 2? Tier 2 is $7.50. What you get is obviously the two chances. You get the general support from me. You're going to get a shout out in my videos. I will be doing either at the beginning or at the end a kind of like an end screen where it scrolls your name through, and so you get a shout out there. Oh my god, another one. Seriously? I'm not filming this again. Oh my god, this is so funny. So any amount of money that you donate helps. Tier 3 is $15 or more if you want to donate more each month. What you get at Tier 3 is you're going to get everything I've already mentioned, except you'll get three chances into the monthly drawing. You will get my general support. You'll get behind the scenes, both Tier 2 and Tier 3, you get behind the scenes content. You know, as you can see from this mess, I gotta clean this room. I gotta clean this craft room. I need to organize my diamond paintings. I want to replace the double-sided adhesive with plastic. You guys will get privy to all of that and enjoy it with me, or just suffer along with me. It'll be fun either way. It always is. So, but the thing you get at Tier 3 that's different is that I'm going to be having a monthly live exclusive to Tier 3 members. I thought maybe there was another. Oh, there's Jake. Oh, he's right here, right next to me. So that's what you get for my Patreon. And I may, you know, as things evolve, I might make some changes. But I wanted to go ahead and launch it, give you guys a chance to think about whether or not it's something you want to support. Let me see if there's anything I need to add. You know, your support is going to help me keep this channel afloat. You know, times are, you know, with the COVID, with my surgery, with the loss of my car. I mean, things are really, really tight. But I'm continuing to bring you content, and I'm going to be I've been consistent for 1 year now. I'm going to continue to be consistent. I'm going to continue to be there for my subscribers. You will get content. Whether you support me or not, there's going to be content. And you're going to enjoy it. You get to hear all about my life, Jake's life, Tootsie's life, which you almost never see. And Malia pops in every now and then just for, you know, giggles. So guys, really, I would like for you to come on this journey with me by becoming a Patreon, and I will really, really appreciate your support. I know this was a very short premiere, but I do appreciate everybody for showing up and watching the replay. And I will see you in my next video. So take care.